Traffic using forum marketing. Quick and easy free traffic generation. If you need more traffic to your website, you should definitely consider forum marketing as an additional source of potential traffic. Forums are great and they're available in a variety of different niches, from dog training to music to internet marketing. Just about any topic you can think of, there's going to be a forum available. The thing about forum marketing, however, is that you have to be very careful and take the right approach so you don't anger your fellow forum members and even risk getting banned from the forum. The best thing you can do is to become a member and start giving as much useful information as you can. You can simply go through the forum and look for questions from other members that you can answer. And then you would simply provide helpful and relevant information that other users will appreciate. Of course, if you have your own questions about a topic, you can certainly add these as well, as this will further contribute to the overall discussion and community feeling. The whole idea here is that you're not going to put any sales messages directly in your post, but instead you're going to develop a reputation as something of an expert who is willing to help out the people in this market. Members of the forum will be able to visit your website by simply clicking on the link in your signature. So this is a really low-key and safe way to promote your website and get more targeted traffic from people who are interested in what you have to offer. You just want to make sure that you follow all the rules of each particular forum, especially when it comes to your signature and whether or not you can include affiliate links or any other kinds of promotions in your actual post. So you really want to be careful. If you focus on helping others consistently, day in and day out, over the long term, they will gradually take notice and visit your website, and you really can get a lot of traffic by doing forum marketing.